Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Investing for Beginners video. If you are new to this, pay attention, and I'm sure you will learn something in the next 120 seconds. In the last couple of videos on this channel, we looked at the animated growth of an initial $10,000 investment over 40 years with different hypothetical return rates. This time we will be comparing all these scenarios in one line chart, and see this way the significant difference even a slightly better return can make on the overall profits. To keep the complexity down, constant annual returns of 0.1%, 1%, 3%, 5%, 7%, and 10% with zero volatility are being assumed, while capital gains taxes and the effect of inflation are not considered in this example at all. As you can see in the 6 animated graphs, the annual profit margin is crucial for the overall growth of the portfolio, and therefore, literally, if you are going to make it or break it. With a low yield rate, the investment is growing at such a low rate that one is actually losing money, because the buying power constantly reduces due to inflation. But with a high annual capital gain, it appears that one can become wealthy over time, and eventually retire comfortably and live the life to the fullest. What is shown here is a prime example for the concept of the compound interest effect. There's a good chance that you already have seen this in one of the 10 to 15 minute long videos from so many other finance YouTubers. But here you have it straight to the point with no nonsense in just 2 minutes, without wasting anyone's time. You're welcome. Anyways, this video concludes the current Investment 101 series, and after a short break we will be looking more into this topic, and we'll also consider inflation and many more factors as well. Make sure to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss the upcoming uploads.